Hanwha Aerospace, a leading South Korean defense industry, announced that it had secured a crucial contract to supply engines for the new KF-21 Boramae multirole combat aircraft with contract worth approximately $401 million. Hanwha Aerospace is committed to deliver more than 40 F-414 engines, as well as the necessary spare modules for KF-21 aircraft. Dutch Defense Minister Kajsa Ollongren has announced the authorization to export 24 F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. For security reasons, the exact number of planes or specific timeline for their arrival in Ukraine were not disclosed. Russia claimed to have destroyed 5 Ukrainian military jets in a strike on Ukrainian airbase. Russian Defense Ministry said it fired Iskander-M missiles at an air base near the central Ukrainian city, which results in destroying 5 operational Su-27 multirole fighters. Italian authorities reportedly intercepted and seized Chinese military drones at southern Italy port as drones were headed to Libya. The officials impounded 3 containers packed with Wing-Long unmanned aircraft systems, as shipment was falsely labeled as parts for wind turbines. The operation was reportedly initiated following a tip-off from the United States.